Hi, welcome back to Everyone Can Grill. Today on The Performer, we're going to cook some country style ribs indirect. I'm going to put a little bit of Weber's dry rub on them. We're going to let them go for about an hour, and then at the very end, we're going to sauce them up with some of my buddy Jesse's really good barbecue sauce. So let's not wait around. Okay everyone, let's get these ribs prepped while the charcoal's heating up. We're going to take them out of the pack. Those are good looking ribs tonight. And all these are pretty much are pork butts that they prep off like this so they can get a little bit more even cuts on the roast that they're selling. See, that one doesn't even have a bone. So it's hit or miss of what you get. Get rid of this glove. And now I'm going to do a light coating of Weber's Original dry rub. Just straight across the top. I don't know why I took that glove off, because I'm going to flip these, so I'm going to have to wash my hands here in a minute. We'll use this hand. I want to get all three sides. No sense in doing that side, it's got the bone on it. Real quick, nothing fancy. I love this rub. Whoop, that one got a little heavy. You can find it about everywhere now, and it's just good. Okay, that is that. So once the charcoal's ready, we'll get these on indirect and not even touch them. So I'll see you in a little bit. Okay, it's been 20 minutes since I got the coals going and the potatoes on, and now I want to get these ribs on here. And we're gonna just lay them in here indirect. And I'm gonna run my grill about 350 tonight. And it's, like I said, 25 degrees out. So I want to get the lid on this real quick. And everybody says, man, 25 degrees is awful darn cold to be cooking. Well, one thing it does is your beer doesn't warm up. Okay, it's been 20 minutes. Let's open this up and take a look and see what we got. Oh yeah. The last time when I put the lid on, I was such a hurry, I forgot to put the wood chips in. So you can see I had to open it back up, and I had a few wood chips to it. And I want to add a little bit more to it right now. Today we're using alder wood. So we're going to let that smoke for a little while. We're 20 minutes into the cook. I'm thinking probably 25, 30 more minutes before we're done. So we'll check it again in another 20 minutes. All right, it's time to check these again. It's been 20 minutes and I'm going to take their temperature. We're looking for about 100, 155. We're getting there. We're getting there pretty close. Well, that's 150. Well, we're going to call it 150. So what I'm going to start doing is we're going to start putting on some Jesse sauce. Oh my gosh, does that smell good? Get this out of the way. I'm going to pour it on the brush. I don't want to I want kind of a thin coating on here. Just to kind of caramelize it up and get it tasting good. So I'm going to do the rest of these and then get the lid back on for 10 minutes and we'll go from there. All right, it's been 10 minutes. And they got all shiny. I want to put a little bit of this on here. One more time. Make it perfect. Real quick. Just getting a nice, man, does that look good. A nice shine on here. Even the birds are slowing down when they fly over because it smells so good out here right now. All right. I'm gonna let that go for about 10 minutes. Bring them in the kitchen and we're gonna eat. All right, that is country style ribs right there. Look at how shiny it is in the light. Take a bite of. Gee whiz, is that good. Look at the smoke ring around it from the alder wood. Oh, Jesse, you got a winner with that sauce too. We're gonna have to figure out how you made that so I can tell everybody how it is. Because that is the best country style rib I've ever had. I think we're gonna call that one a winner.